Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to put down the middle seat in your Chevy Silverado. First, always ensure your truck is safely in park and the parking brake is engaged. Before you begin, take a moment to clear any items from the middle seat and the area around it. You might also need to slide the driver and passenger seats forward a few inches to give the middle seat enough room to fold down smoothly. This simple preparation makes the process much easier. Now, let's find the release mechanism. Look closely at the base of the middle seat, usually on the driver's side. You'll find either a small latch, a handle, or a fabric strap. This is the key to unlocking the seat's upright position. Gently pull or lift this mechanism. It might require a firm but not forceful action to disengage the lock. Once you activate it, the seat will be ready to move. With the latch engaged, gently push the seat back forward and down. It should pivot smoothly, laying flat to create a convenient surface. Apply steady, even pressure until you feel it settle into its fully folded position. Listen for a soft click, which indicates it has securely locked into place. This transformation provides a stable, flat area, perfect for various uses within your truck's cabin. Congratulations, you've successfully folded down your middle seat. This new flat surface offers excellent versatility, whether you need extra cargo space for tools or groceries, or a convenient workspace for a laptop. Don't forget to check for hidden storage compartments underneath the folded seat, as many models include these handy areas. This simple adjustment significantly enhances your truck's utility, making it even more adaptable for your needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.